Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Jatnika Muhammad Fadila. My student ID 250512300017. On this occasion, I will explain about the UTM or Universal Testing Machine. The Universal Testing Machine or UTM is a vital piece of equipment in material science and quality control. Its core function is to determine the mechanical properties of materials and components by applying tensile, pulling, compressive, crushing, or transverse bending forces and measuring how the specimen responds. The UTM's ultimate purpose is to generate a stress-strain curve, a graphical representation of a material's mechanical properties. By analyzing this curve, engineers and scientists can first select the right material for a specific application, second, predict how a component will behave under real-world loads and forces, and ensure quality control by verifying that manufactured materials meet required specification and standard ASTM or ISO. Part of the Universal Testing Machine or UTM. First, upper crosshead serves as the mounting point for the static, non-moving upper grip. Its position can be adjusted manually or electrically to accommodate specimens of different heights. Second, load frame acts as the backbone of the machine, providing structural stability and rigidity. This frame must be extremely strong to withstand high tensile or compressive forces without deforming, ensuring testing accuracy. Third, actuator. This is the heart of the machine. The actuator generates the force required to test the specimen. In MTS models, this is usually a servo-hydraulic actuator that moves the lower crosshead up and down with very high precision. 4. Lower crosshead serves as the mounting point for the lower grip. This is the part that is driven by the actuator to apply tensile or compressive force to the specimen clamp between the two grips. 5. Controller acts as the brain for manually operating the machine. This unit controls the crosshead movement, speed, direction, stop, and often display real-time readings of load and displacement. 6. Workstation. This computer runs specialized MTS software. This software enables the user to collect, graphically display, and analyze test data. Besides that, control the machine automatically based on those procedures. 7. Safety guards protect the operator from potential hazards, especially if a specimen fractures and shatters suddenly during testing. 8. Grips and fixtures attached to the upper and lower crossheads. These are the tools that directly hold the specimen. 9. Load cell, a highly precise sensor that measures the force load applied to the specimen. It is usually located inside the upper crosshead data. Data from the load cell is sent to the controller and software. 10. Hydraulic power unit or HPU. The hydraulic power unit or HPU is the main support system and is usually placed separately from the main body of the machine. The HPU functions to store and pipe high-pressure hydraulic oil to power the actuator. There are several standards used for tensile testing of metals, including ASTM, ISO, and GIS. However, in Indonesia, the ISO standard is usually used. Plate sample shape and dimension based on ISO. Plate tensile test specimens are commonly used for materials like plates, sheets, or profiles. The key dimensions regulated by the standard are width, the width of the reduced parallel section, gauge section, Common size vary, example 12.5 mm, 20 mm, or 25 mm. Thickness. The original material thickness must be measured accurately as part of the data input. Gauge length. The length for strand measurement. Parallel length. The length of the entire radius section must be longer than gauge length. Fillet radius must be sufficient, usually up to 25 mm, to avoid stress concentration. How to input procedure in UTM software. Open the software, select tensile test, enter the data including gauge length, width, thickness, and material type. Set the speed, set the stop condition, ensure the load cell and extensometer are detected, and run the test. Data result and graph or report from UTM. The tensile test result data obtained from the Universal Testing Machine or UTM is as follows: area 78.5398 square millimeter, peak stress 214.5 Newton per square millimeter, peak load 16,848.955 Newton, strain at brick 19.094%, load at yield 13.195 kN, stress at yield 168.005 Newton per square millimeter, modulus 5.726 grade point average, and diameter 10 mm.